Performance, precision, predictability, engineered for real-world installations. Introducing the APSi Series. The APSi Series is a modular installation platform built from 3 precision-engineered elements: APSi-Pro S, APSi-Pro D, and the APSi Sub. Not a single loudspeaker, but a block-based system designed for architectural realities. Integrators needed touring-grade performance in an installation-ready format. Lighter, cleaner, more cost-efficient, with flexible weather protection and architectural color options, delivering consistent results across theaters, arenas, and houses of worship. APSi-Pro S delivers wide vertical coverage for short throw zones and near-field clarity. APSi-Pro D provides long throw control with a precise 10-degree vertical angle, extending coverage cleanly across large venues. Both APSi-Pro S and APSi-Pro D use CODA's dual diaphragm curved wave driver and dynamic airflow cooling, ensuring consistent performance at high SPL with exceptional intelligibility. With interchangeable InstaFit magnetic couplers, APSi arrays deliver symmetrical or asymmetrical dispersion from 60 to 120 degrees, tailored to any architectural space. The APSi Sub extends system bandwidth to 28 Hz with immense headroom and ultra-low distortion. 10-degree and 30-degree modules combine to form hybrid arrays that follow the geometry of the venue, from intimate theaters to large stadiums. With the Array Keeper, any single loudspeaker can be removed for servicing without disturbing the rest of the array. A breakthrough for fixed installations. APSi Series, a block-based installation platform engineered for architectural realities, long-term reliability, and the performance your projects demand.